How to survive as a software engineer this war with AI, and with a lot of discussions that AI will replace software engineers, the top companies in the world making massive layoffs even to the most experienced software engineers. Although it is impossible to guarantee your job security 100%, but you have to take steps to find that job as soon as it is possible in case of any layoffs. As a lead software engineer and resource manager, I will share 5 tips that will help you to survive as a software engineer and keep your career on track. First tip, if you already have a job or you are working on a project, always offer a solution. In case if you have a requirement, for example, to implement an API and the client's requirement will not work in that way, always offer a solution and offer a new API or another way how to do it. Never say it will not gonna work. The second thing, always try to understand the business logic of your task that you are working on. Never focus only on the technical part, but understand the all logical part of the task. Also, you can try to take an additional responsibility. You can try to do mentorship to less experienced developers on your project. The second tip is create your future CV. A CV that will be for 2025 with a new technical stack. For example, if you're a software engineer as a front-end developer, create a CV for 2025 with a backend skills or cloud skills, or even I would recommend to include some OpenAI APIs to win the war with AI, and try to learn all technologies that you have mentioned in the CV. You can name it as a plan for 2025. The third tip is networking. Try to find a community. You can do it on LinkedIn or on a Facebook community or even on a X, like X Twitter. And as much as you will talk to people there, your also soft skills will be developed better, and you will learn how to communicate with other developers. For example, on the X platform, like some developer can say think about a technology, and there's a lot of discussions and the different opinions about that parts about the technology. And remember, your soft skills as important as your hard skills. I will say the next tip is an optional, but I will recommend you to learn a new spoken language. If you are watching this video, I guess you know English. The next 2 languages, mostly if you are working on the European market, is German and Spanish. There are a lot of companies that require German or Spanish speaker for their project or company because, for example, the project that are from Switzerland, the clients are only German speaker and they require only German speaker developers. So if you like to learn new languages, start from one of them. Personally, I choose Spanish. And the last tip, secure yourself with creating a freelance profile in one of the most popular freelance platforms. Personally, I would recommend 2 freelance platforms, Upwork and TopTal. In case if you will lose your job, you will at least have a good freelance profile, and you can find some project. If you want to work, for example, in a company, you can find project in that gap to not just die from not having a food. The TopTal didn't pay me for this video because I have a pretty new channel, but if you're interested, I have a referral link on the description, so you can register from there, and maybe if you will pass the interview, I'll get some money. So these 5 tips I made personally for myself. Also feel free to write any additional tip on the comments. And I understood that a developer never should rely on existing skills for too long time.